If you're training hard but still spending hours each week figuring out what to eat, when to cook it, and how to hit your macros, there's a much easier way to stay on track. Trifecta Nutrition and Fuel Meals are two of the most popular meal delivery options built specifically for athletes, and today I'm going to be breaking down exactly how they compare. We're going to look at types of meals you get, how flexible each plan is, and which one actually makes sense based on your goals, whether that's cutting weight, building muscle, or just making your nutrition simpler. So Trifecta isn't just trying to ship you clean meals. It's really built around making your life easier while still keeping your performance dialed in. The idea is to take the stress and guesswork out of eating healthy, especially if you are training consistently and you don't have the time to meal prep every week. Now, what sets them apart is that Trifecta's philosophy, which looks at health in three parts. So you have mind, body, and social well-being. It sounds a bit abstract at first, but the takeaway here is simple. They're not just focused on your macros, they're also thinking about how your meals impact your mental health and even your relationships. And this just isn't talk. They actually work with UFC athletes to help manage weight cuts and recovery, so they're clearly aiming at high-level performance, not just general fitness. Now, once you're signed up with Trifecta, the whole experience is pretty hands-off. Their chefs and dietitians handle everything. Meals come fully cooked, vacuum sealed and shipped in insulated boxes that keep them fresh without needing to freeze anything. And that vacuum seal also helps lock in the flavor and the texture, which does make a big difference if you actually want your meals to taste good. Deliveries show up once a week, usually on Fridays or Saturdays, so your fridge is stocked and ready for the week ahead. And there's no contract to worry about either. You can skip a week or pause your subscription anytime. And heating things up only takes about 3 to 5 minutes, whether you're using a microwave, an air fryer, or a stovetop, so everything is pretty quick. Now, in terms of plans, they've got a wide range, everything from clean, keto, paleo, and Whole30 to vegan and vegetarian. Most of those are chef curated, which means they pick the meals for you based on the plan you choose. It is designed to take the guesswork out of hitting your macros. Now, if you'd rather have more control, there are two other options. The classic plan lets you choose your own meal combos, and then there's the meal prep tier, which gives you bulk portions of proteins, carbs, and veggies, things like 2 pounds of grilled chicken or roasted sweet potatoes. So you can portion things out exactly how you want. And Trifecta also goes beyond just the food. Their app lets you track your macros, your workouts, and goals all in one place. They do have nutritionists and coaches available if you want expert input. And if sustainability matters to you, they've made most of their packaging biodegradable. They even accept HSA and FSA payments, which adds a nice bit of flexibility. So altogether, this isn't just a meal service, it's really more of a built-in system for people who want to simplify their nutrition without sacrificing results. Pricing is actually really simple. All our meals are a flat $16 each, no matter which dietary plan you choose. The best way to save is just by ordering a bit more at once. If you grab 7 meals, they're at that standard $16 rate, but the price starts dropping as you add more to your box. For example, 10 meals brings them down to about $15.50 each, and 14 meals gets you to the $15 mark. If you go all out with 21 meals, the price hits its lowest at $14.50 per meal. Shipping is $10 to most US locations, but Alaska and Hawaii will run you a steep $50. First-time users, you do get a money-back guarantee for up to 7 meals or $100 worth of food, which is a nice safety net if you are not sure if it's for you. Now, what really sets Trifecta apart is the way their app, coaching, and meals all work together. You're not just ordering food, you're tapping into a complete system that's built to support everything from macro tracking to training recovery. If you want a fully integrated experience that feels like you're part of a performance program, this is one of the few services that actually delivers. And if you want to give any of these meal delivery services a try, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you're not going to get if you go directly through their website. All right, so next up, Fuel Meals, and they take a different approach compared to Trifecta. Their whole setup is geared towards athletes who need more calories, more protein, and more control. So if you're a bodybuilder, an endurance athlete, or anyone training hard on a regular basis, this is built with you in mind. So instead of a one-size-fits-all model, they offer larger portions, higher protein per meal, and a platform that lets you get pretty specific about what ends up on your plate. And just like Trifecta, they stick to clean ingredients, hormone-free meats, wild-caught fish, and organic veggies, so the quality is definitely there. Now, the packaging, it might sound technical. It's called modified atmospheric packaging, but what it does is pretty simple. It keeps your meals fresh in the fridge for up to a week without relying on preservatives. Meals are shipped every Monday, so you'll usually get them by Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on where you live. Now you can subscribe or just place a one-time order if you want to test it out. And the back end of their site makes it very easy to manage your plan. You can skip a week, update your meals, or even plan things out up to 7 weeks in advance. So there is a lot of flexibility baked in. Now, as far as plans go, they offer 4 main options: performance, muscle gain, weight loss, and best sellers. Each one is structured around a specific set of macros. For example, the muscle gain can pack up to 60 grams of protein all in a single meal. And if those options still don't give you what you need, you can build your own meals or order in bulk. Things like 2 pounds of grilled chicken or roasted potatoes, perfect if you're tracking down to the gram. Now, they don't have an app like Trifecta, but they do offer a flexible subscription setup, plus general advice on things like high protein snacking between meals. Packaging is fully recyclable, which is a nice touch to see. And they also offer military discounts and referral perks if you're looking to share it with teammates or training partners. Now, Fuel Meals keeps things pretty straightforward with their pricing. It's volume based, so the more you order, the less you pay per meal. If you start with 7 meals, it comes out to about $14 each. But if you bump that up to 20 meals, the price drops to around $12 per meal. Shipping is about $10, but once you hit 10 meals or more, shipping is free, which is a nice touch. Now, what really sets Fuel Meals apart is how much control you have. You can customize everything, build your meals from scratch, adjust your macros, or just stock up on bulk ingredients if you prefer to portion things out yourself. So if you've got high calorie needs or a strict meal plan to follow, this level of flexibility makes it a great fit, especially if you haven't found other services that can quite keep up. So at the end of the day, both Trifecta and Fuel Meals bring a lot to the table. It just depends on what kind of support you're looking for. Trifecta is great if you want a more structured approach. The meals are curated for you, the app ties everything together, and you've got access to coaching and macro tracking if you want it. It's designed to make your nutrition feel automatic, especially if you're juggling a busy schedule alongside your training. Fuel Meals, on the other hand, gives you more control. It's built for athletes who want to pick exactly what goes into each meal, who need bigger portions, or who are following a stricter macro plan. So if you're the kind of person who likes to fine-tune your nutrition down to the gram, this one's probably a better fit. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the links below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.